The focus of that session was the personalized medicine, of course, but the more from the oncology side, and what's happening both in Canada and in Europe to be able to establish parallels between our approach on both sides of the pond, and also what resources and infrastructures could be shared, used, and leveraged by groups on each continent. And one of the main interests for CIHR, the Canadian Institute of Health Research, is that we are engaged in many activities involving European partners, and there are some funding opportunities coming out of the door or that are currently available. So we do want to maximize the interactions between researchers in Canada and in Europe so that they can connect, and after that submit applications to these programs. Efficiency, but more than efficiency, it's really to be able to combine different perspectives, but that from a sociological level are really compatible. We've got healthcare systems that are based on the same principles in Europe and in Canada, and also our researchers are really eager to get into larger consortium, and usually with Europeans it's something that is kind of natural for them to do. Well, there's data coming from a research context, of course. Personally, I've been involved in rare disease initiatives a lot, which falls under our personalized medicine initiative. And by putting together the clinical and the genomic information about patient, and by sharing this information, they were able to identify patients with similar genetic mutations and similar diseases from Canada and some from Europe, and based on that being able after that to establish the underlying genetic cause of these diseases. So it's really a matching of patients so that clinicians after that can talk together, but all that using shared infrastructures and data.